This video note demonstrates configuring an inline frame on a web page. An inline frame, also called a floating frame, displays the contents of another web page within your web page document. Use the iframe element to configure an inline frame. The iframe element begins with the iframe tag and ends with the closing iframe tag. Fallback content that should be displayed if the browser doesn't support inline frames, like a text description or hyperlink to the actual web page, should be placed between the iframe tags. Here's an overview of attributes that are commonly used with the iframe element. The source attribute identifies the URL or file name of the page to display in the inline frame. The height attribute configures the height of the inline frame. The width attribute configures the width of the inline frame. The ID attribute can be utilized by CSS or JavaScript. The title attribute may be accessed by assistive technologies such as screen readers and provides a brief text description of the contents of the iframe. This example shows the use of an inline frame. The white background area on the web page is the inline frame. It displays another web page that contains the image of the flower and a text description. The iframe tag is used to configure the inline frame area to display a web page document named trillium.html within an area that's 160 pixels high and 350 pixels wide. The title Trillium Wildflower is available to assistive technologies such as screen readers. The text and hyperlink are the fallback content that will be displayed by browsers that do not support inline frames. YouTube, at youtube.com, is a popular website for sharing videos for both personal and business use. When a video is uploaded to YouTube, the creator can choose to share their video with others. It's easy to display a YouTube video on your web page. Just select Share Embed and then copy and paste the HTML into your web page source code. The code uses an iframe element to display a web page file within your web page. YouTube detects the browser and operating system of your web page visitor and serves the content in an appropriate format with either Flash or HTML5 video. This example embeds a video that I created and uploaded to YouTube. It's at the URL shown here. You can choose to display this video or select a different video. The process is to visit the YouTube page for the video and copy the video identifier, which is the text after the equal sign in the URL. In this example, the video identifier is 1QKISJHZHI. Use your textbook's template.html file as a starting point and configure a web page with the heading YouTube Video and an iframe element that displays the video. The code for the body section of the web page is shown here. When you configure the iframe tag, you'll begin with the source attribute value with http://www.youtube.com/embed/ followed by the video identifier. In this example, set the source attribute to the value http://www.youtube.com/embed/1QKISJHZTHI. The frame is configured with a width of 480 pixels and a height of 390 pixels. Configure a hyperlink to the YouTube video page as the fallback content. Save and test your web page in a browser to view the video. Inline frames are widely used on the web for a variety of marketing and promotional purposes, including displaying banner ads, playing multimedia that may be hosted on a separate web server, and serving content for associate and partner sites to display. The advantage is separation of control. The dynamic content, such as the banner or multimedia clip, can be changed by a project team without allowing them access to change the rest of the website.